Introduce the Godox UHF wireless microphone system, a flexible and expandable system that can work with handheld microphone, the shotgun microphone, and the plug-on XLR transmitter. Let's start with wireless microphone system S1. It is a dual-channel system that provides professional audio quality. There are two keys available. Key 1, one transmitter and one receiver. Key 2, two transmitters and one receiver. You can make a choice depending on your needs. The body pack design is easy to clip on anywhere conveniently, and the omnidirectional lavalier microphone has a locking connector to prevent unplugging. The S1 provides a reliable transmission distance of up to 330 feet. With 96 selectable channels, you can avoid any disturbance even when several microphone systems are working together. The dual-channel receiver can switch between stereo and mono mode for a better post-processing. You can put on your headphone for real-time monitoring and adjust the volume from 0 to 30. With universal compatibility, the S1 can work with DSLR, camera recorder, PC, mixer, recorder, and even with a smartphone when you purchase separately a TRS to TRRS adapter. A reliable choice for broadcaster, speaker, journalist, videographer, content creator, and more. The Godox WHM1 is an all-metal housing, handheld wireless transmitter that is ready to work with your S1 system. It is a perfect choice for interview, lecture, conference, and any other applications that require mobility plus a reliable sound. One-click mute to avoid any unwanted noise. With high visibility OLED display for an easy operation even under bright sunlight. Powered by two AA batteries, the handheld mic can work up to 8 hours. Connects the plug-on transmitter TX3 XLR with the shotgun microphone VDS-M1. You can get a wireless boom hole setup. TX3 XLR is an all-metal construction transmitter. Pair it up with receiver of S1 system. You'll get an outstanding UHF wireless microphone system with max 60 meters transmission distance. With 96 selectable channels and adjustable RF power output, your recording will always be crystal clear. It can convert any wired XLR microphone into wireless microphone, such as our shotgun microphone VDS-M1. Adjust the microphone at a suitable angle and then choose the directivity between super cardio mode and cardio mode. And then you can start your audio journey without any annoying ambient noise. The durable alloy-constructed shotgun microphone can connect with multiple devices, such as DSLR, camera recorder, PC, recorder, mixer, with the included XLR to 3.5mm audio cable and 6.3mm adapter. Even with your smartphone, if you purchase separately an XLR to TRRS adapter,